Hey, hey.
Check. Oh, that sounds nice.
Hey.
Check 1, 2. Hey, check 1.
Check. Hey. Check. Hey.
Is that over there then here?
Check. Only the monitor.
Check. Hey.
All right. We only got wireless one.
All right.
La la la. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Yeah.
Check.
Kmart boxes. Oh yes, oh yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Check. Oh yeah. Oh, Czechoslovakia. Check. What do you need? Check. Hey. Where is it? Oh, it just came on. Yeah, hey.
Hey.
Do you want to check that tape, see if it sounds all right? Yeah. Sure. You're a smart guy.
I don't know if this is going to work, man.
Oh, if it doesn't, it
Did
doesn't.
it in 10 minutes. What?
Huh?
We did this idea for this, to play this tape right before we play.
It's like an intro thing.
Lay your head down while I crucify you. Breathe your last breath while I resurrect you. In the middle of alphabets and rhymes is a girl, so tender, lost and tied, drink from the window of ignorance and blinds. But I see you, you're open wide. I am the man brought here to break. I am destruction. Take your future and your home. Don't you see that I love you? That I die for you, but I cheat you and beat you. Wipe the tears from your eyes. Lay your head down while I crucify you. Breathe your breath while I resurrect you. And the mystery Now the pain is left on the cold. Now you wanna see him blues and bold. Break your body down the lanes. Break your body and kiss your face. Bloody romance further away. Breast and wool, barren taste. Broken down, broken lanes. Break your body, kiss your face. Bloody romance further away. Baby, when you're naked and empty, you can rise above this place. Lay your head down while I crucify you. Breathe your last breath while I lay your head down while I crucify you. Breathe your last breath while I resurrect you.
Real quick.
Wake up in the afternoon to a darkened room. The sun is shining bright. I draw the blinds and you are there. Everything is right. 'Cause if you're gone, I don't think that I can take it. If you're gone, I don't think that I can make it. Sometimes the wind don't blow, the grass don't grow, the sky isn't blue. Don't take that to me if I lost my faith in you. I've been a fool for too long, no mistaken. 'Cause if you're gone, I don't think that I could take the pain of losing you. 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 Sometimes the wind don't blow, the grass don't grow, the sky isn't blue. But don't take that to mean I've ever lost my faith in you. I have been a fool for too long, there's no mistaken. 'Cause if you're gone, I don't think that I could take the pain of losing you. Take the pain of losing you. Take the pain of losing you. of losing you. Take the pain of losing you. Take the pain of losing you. Take the pain. The grass don't grow, the sky is at blue. But don't take that to mean I've ever lost my faith in you. I have been a fool for too long, there's no mistaking. 'Cause if you're gone, I think that I can take the pain of losing you. 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 Can't you see my heart and yours forever and a day? Forever and a day now. That's why I'm with you, baby, to stay. Baby, please stay well. I've been a fool for too long, there's no mistaking. 'Cause if you're gone, I don't think that I can take the pain of losing you. 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 said a hip hop, the hippie to the hip hop. You don't stop the rocker to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat. Now what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat, and me, the groove, and my friends are gonna try to move your feet. You see, I am Wonder Mike, and I'd like to say hello up to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and yellow. But first, I gotta bang, bang, the boogie to the boogie. Say up, jump the boogie to the bang, bang, boogie. Let's rock. You don't stop, rock the rhythm that'll make your body rock. Well, so far you heard my voice, but I brought two friends along. And next on the mic is my man Hank. Come on, Hank, sing that song.
Check it out, I'm the C-A-S-N, the O. Check it out, I'm the C-A-S-N, the O-V-A, and the rest is F-L-Y. You see, I go by the code of the doctor of the mix, and these reasons I'll tell you why. You see, I'm 6'1", and I'm tons of fun, and I dress to a T. You see, I got more clothes than Muhammad Ali, and I dress so viciously. I got bodyguards, I got two big guns that definitely ain't the whack. I got a Lincoln Continental and a sunroof Cadillac. So after school I take a dip in the pool, which is really on the wall. I got a color TV so I can see the Knicks play basketball. Hear me talking my checkbook, credit cards more money than a sucker could ever spend. But I wouldn't give a sucker or a punk from the rock, and not a dime till I made it again. Everybody go, ho, hotel, motel, what you gonna do today? Is I'm gonna get a fly girl, gonna get some spank and drive off in a death OJ. Everybody go, ho, hotel, motel, holiday in. See, if your girl starts acting up, then you take her friend. Then you take her friend. I'm Master G. My mellow is on you, so what you gonna do?
Well, it's on and on and on and on and on. The beat don't stop until the break of dawn. I said a M-A-S, a T-E-R, a G with a double E. I said I go by the unforgettable name of the man they call a Master G. Well, my name is known all over the world by all the foxy ladies and the pretty girls. I'm going down in history as the baddest rapper there ever could be. Now I'm feeling the highs and you're feeling the lows. The beat starts getting into your toe. You start popping your fingers and stomping your feet and moving your body while you're sitting and you're sitting. Then damn, you start doing the freak. I said bam, right out of your seat. Then you throw your hands high in the air. You rock it to the rhythm, shake your dairy air. You rock it to the beat without a care. Cruise the short shot MCs.
So you try to play it off like you think you can by saying that you're full. And then your friend says, mama, he just being polite. He ain't finished. Oh, that's bull. So your heart starts pumping and you think of a lie and you say that you already ate. And your friend says, man, there's plenty of food, so he piles some more on your plate. But while the sticky food's steaming, your mind starts to dreaming of the moment it's time to leave. And then you look at your plate and your chicken's slowly rotting into something that looks like cheese. So you say, that's it, I got to leave this place. I don't care what these people think. I'm just sitting here making myself nauseous with this ugly food that stinks. So you bust out the door while it's still closed, still sick from the food you ate. And then you run to the store for quick relief from a bottle of K.O. Pectate. And then you call your friend 2 weeks later to see how he has been. And he says, I understand about the food, babe, but we're still friends. With a hip hop, the hippie to the hippie, the hip hip, the hoppy, you don't stop the rocker to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat.